try it like it created. And today we're going to be inspired by this little tag that says, hello there. And this came from American Crafts. It came out of this little package of Paige Evans. I got at Ollie's, and they're called Splendid Phrases, Expressions. And so I just went through and picked out one that I was interested in, and then I grabbed a bunch of my King Art colored crayons, and I thought we could just work on coloring in the background of our tag with the colors. And these should do some blending and may do some mixing with a little bit of water. We'll see how well they do. And then I thought we could also do some stenciling on here. And I just want to bring in a very little bit of yellow and orange just to enhance our background a little bit. Not a lot of those. All right, and now I'm going to take a dry baby wipe, and let's see how we can blend without water. And so you can see that that color does move around a little bit. And if I were to add some water on top, let's see if that is going to spritz on some water. And let's see, of course I could do this, you know, with my finger. I'm using dry baby wipe just because it's a little bit cleaner for me. All right, so there we've got a softer background. We still got some lines, some texture, but nice color overall. And then just bring in our sentiment here so you can see what that's going to look like on here. All right, and then I have this floral stencil that I thought would be fun to put on as well. Let's go grab a little bit darker pink here, and let's go over the top and then work that into our flower stencil. And so now if I lift this up, you can see how we're getting that flower texture. So I just want to add some more of that. All right. And maybe a little bit more here. All right. And then I think I want to come in with a little bit lighter pink and do the same thing. Almost has a bit of a purple look to it. Let's see how well that shows up. Is that not quite as much, but I think it's doing something. It's a little subtle. Yeah. one last little bit there. I like the look of that. I think, do I want to add anything else? I'm trying to decide. Ended up with a little bit of sparkle here. I'm not sure where that came from. It's probably off of our stencil, or maybe off of my dry baby wipe. And then we're going to put this right in the center. And maybe even lift that up a little bit. I don't know. I almost want to smear some color here. What if I took, let's see what this looks like. Does it? It's just going to lightly pink. So can I just color the outer edge a little bit? Just subtle. Not looking for a lot of color. I'm just looking to tone down that white a little bit. So there, I think I like that a lot better. All right, and then yeah, that relates better. So then all we have to do is lift that up with some foam tape and we can be done. And we'll pull off the backer. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Are you someone who would put tape all over the entire back or just kind of minimal amount? And then I'm just going to eyeball the center here. I need to still punch a hole at the top. We could add some pretty ribbons. But there is our King Art Artist Mixed Media Gel Sticks tag, where we blended the background, we used a little bit of a stencil, and then we used our sentiment card in the center.